Black man.
Yes, that's a brief stop, and so let me go right to the point. The reason why I'm dedicated to repatriation investment is I've literally been on a plantation myself and see the abuse our people take and the way they take it with a smile. It's like all these slave movies you see coming out. It's just showing us as glorified slave, even just the fake Black History Month that they have in February every year, and just indoctrinating your children that we were just happy slaves and we were so happy, and then once we got freedom, we just wanted to work back for the master. So I just see repatriation as it's just the future of African people and the African diaspora, and I feel like for those who just don't want to open up or those who just see something different and just enjoy living their life with the master and hoping and praying that one day they'll have equality, one day they'll have all these opportunities that white folks and other people enjoy. It's just, I feel like might as well just make this move to Africa. It's not the easiest and simplest thing. Someone like myself been coming for a decade, and it's just a lot of you're hearing you're processing a whole lot of things. Sometimes you're just quiet for like 5-10 minutes, and you're thinking about how you can really pull this off, how you can be really a force and an energy. So what we're doing is the best we can do as far as this, and we're hoping the energy that we put out will bring in more people to be a part of the growth in the future. Instead of people doing sideline, hating and sideline, just watching and gossiping about what we're doing. We'd love to see more people be a part of this movement. The unfortunate thing about it is it's just not enough of us, or it's not even about members like that, but we just need a stronger push and more commitment from our folks in the African diaspora. So what we do is just basically give a lot of details, documentation to help connect people as best as we can and offer a way that you can connect and talk. So appreciate everyone that got the message based on cards, Facebook, YouTube, videos, or any kind of outreach. And we look forward to keep on connecting with you and look forward to looking forward to just getting more strength and energy from others also, because this movement that we're building, it takes a lot of different contributions and sacrifice. So family, appreciate your energy, and we look to just really build this repatriation community there in Techiman, in the Fraunhofer region, right in the center of Ghana, straight pioneer work.
All right.
And so we appreciate your work and commitment to building this energy of investment conference and all the people that you have invited and connected with us with.
Thank you. Very good. Let's give them a round of applause. Young soldier. So as always, we always like to get to know you, and we want you to briefly introduce yourself so that we can feel you and be, interacting with you. So starting here, we want you to just stand, give us your name, let us know who you are.
So my name is Ayatoro. I currently live in Atlanta, Georgia. I do import, export, primarily from Ghana, primarily shea butter and black soap. Also, my community service side, I organize the Atlanta African Drum and Dance Festival, which is a conference that happens the end of every July. Drum and dance classes from primarily West Africa. And then we also host African dance classes every week.
Yeah,
Hi, my name is Niali. I'm from New York, but I live in Baltimore at the moment, and I'm an educator. I teach young children throughout the year, all year round, basically, and I teach first and second grade blended, and I make sure everything that I teach them is from a Black perspective. So they are learning about their heroes from me. So the lives that they get throughout the rest of their education, they'll know that there is a truth out there. And for Black History Month, I told them there's more than 3 Black people alive, more than Harriet Tubman, Dr. King, and Frederick Douglass.
Thank you. Because of the time, I didn't want to.
Thank you.
My name is Kolade Nguyen. I live in the Atlanta area. My background is in business administration. I taught it for 30 years in a university of Pennsylvania. And since I retired, I have been teaching as a guest lecturer in African-centered schools in the area.
Yes.
My name is Colleen. I'm from Pennsylvania, and I've been working quite a long time not happy to say, but for a pharmaceutical company for many years. And I'm looking forward to retiring from that company real soon.
My name is Andre Johnson. I live in Virginia. I'm a respiratory therapist at Children's National Medical Center. So I work basically with pediatric patients, from kids from birth all the way up to 18, even up to adult age patients. So that's me.
Yeah, you. Here. We want to do this, and then we'll continue.
My name is Gwen Simon, and I am presently in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, looking to retire soon also, and I'm probably going to be moving back to Atlanta. My forte, I would say, is horticulture and agriculture.
I'm so happy to be here. My name is Stephanie Chubu. I'm newly retired. I'm here looking to find the fashion, resources, and labor to build a small, wildly successful design business.
Great.
Greetings. My name is Sandra Brown. I'm from Jamaica. And it's really a pleasure to be here. It's something I wanted to do for a long time. And I'm glad I got the opportunity to meet my nephew, Bolani. He made it possible for me to be here. I'm so happy that I'm here. And it was just one day. I've enjoyed myself so much. And I'm looking forward to creating this for the next 12 or 13 years.
Yeah, my name is Seth Amwako Ellis, and my background is tourism. I'm currently working with AFS Intercultural Exchange Program, and I'm the coordinator for Ghana School Class. Thank you.
My name is Felix Kwabena Osei. I'm a Ghanaian, fully Ghanaian. I'm very happy to meet everyone here. I'm an actor. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Patience Princess. Actually, I am a Ghanaian, and I am a model. I'm the CEO of Penny Production. Actually, we are here looking for investors who invest in our program. Thank you.
My name is Mayola Ottawa, and I'm from Atlanta. Well, I live in Atlanta, Georgia now for the past 8 years. I hail from Connecticut, raised in New Jersey. And I am this is my dream of a lifetime. I've saved, I've waited, I chopped at the bit, I crossed every T and dotted every I, and I'm here. I'm here. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Hadia Taylor, and my background is operation logistics. I have first heard Bomani David on the Kidi Awadu show, and that was about 2 years ago, and from then I looked him up, and I've been wanting to come to Ghana for the longest. So I'm finally here, and I'm so overwhelmed and happy to be here.
Hi, everybody. My name is Stephen Towns. I'm an artist and educator in Maryland. This is my first time in Africa, my first time in Ghana, and I'm here to learn about culture and just explore. So I'm really excited to be here.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Ricardo Rodriguez. I'm an artist, tech specialist, and a budding, I don't know if I would say budding Garvey. I've been kind of reading and studying and researching our culture and history for close to 25 years. And I've been planning this trip similar to Adia for about 2.5 years. So I'm really excited to be here. I'm really excited to contribute, learn, hopefully open up a business and repatriate and help build. So that's really the most important thing to me. Thank you.
Okay, hello. I am Anne-Marie Harvey. I am originally from Jamaica. I went to live in America at the age of 11, and I've always known that I would come to Ghana. I see my mom, I see my brother, and I see Ghana. I see family members, and I see Ghana. Music, culture, all of that has always been in me, and for some reason I knew that I always would come here. And it just happened to be on my bucket list that I can cross off for right now. In Maryland, I make my living by working as a librarian, a Marinage branch in Baltimore City. And I've done that for 20 years so far. So I'm looking to retire from that and see what lies ahead for me. But as far as being here in Ghana, it's a little bit like being at home and trying to just put everything in perspective and trying to not be totally overwhelmed. But I'm really happy to be here.
Okay, we're going to take a couple more minutes. I want you to introduce a few of the people that came out to exhibit, especially this lady in the blue here that was a retired nurse. She said something real key when I first met her. She said, if I ever get sick and I went to a hospital, I'd rather for the nurse to treat me than a doctor. So that's such a great thing.
My name is Grace Coca. I'm retired from nursing the year 2000. Decided to go the other way. Instead of healing, and the hospital, I decided to heal the herbal way. I started gathering a lot of herbs, a lot of seed nuts from the forest, and realized 10 good nuts that we use for our products. Well, I'm not boasting, but I think we have the best soap in Ghana.
I would say that she is an understatement. She has the best soap in Africa. I'm on record, but I told her if she don't bring me some soap, I'm not bathing. Thank you very much. And of course, Dr. Z, can you please stand?
I'm a little bit camera-shy, believe it or not. But I'm Dr. Swain, and I'm a repatriate for 17 years. I came in 1999, I've never been back. And I will to share more with you tomorrow because I do intend to have lunch with you tomorrow.
Great. Of course, Mr. Benedictor, will you please stand? Let's give her a round of applause.